Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing a new panel kit on my 2006 CRF 250, which I've owned for 12 years now. It's getting to look a bit rough around the edges, so it's getting a little bit of a cosmetic upgrade today. So let's go and stick it on the ramp. That's the first panel on. Rookie mistake, I got to put the back mudguard on before I could put the side panels on. Right, that's it, that's the other side done. Number board on, front mudguard. I have to use the original seat. I might get a seat cover, I don't know. See how it looks. I've got a full graphics kit to go on it yet, but I'm not going to do that today. But yeah, I like that, I think it looks cool. What do you reckon? Let me know if you've got any tips, because I've heard that putting a graphics kit on is a bit of a pain. So if you've got any tips and tricks to make it easier, let me know. And I'll see you in the next one.